Beginners. So I was talking to you about the inbuilt functions in Python, and we will continue to see which are how much more built-in functions are available in Python. Functions. I'm just writing it as heading. Functions is a set of instruction required repeatedly. So piece of code for specific tasks to avoid over repeating same codes. There are two types of functions, built-in functions and user-defined functions. I told you that pre-built, predefined or inbuilt, user-defined and lambda. Lambda is not considered as a type of function, it's a function. So it also comes under the kind of category like user-defined functions. We'll study that further. So functions like if we have to find like minimum, maximum, I'll just take an example. A is a list in which 2, 3, 4, okay. Now if I have to find minimum of A 2, maximum of A 8, length of A, sorry, 6. So how do this system calculate this minimum out of this? There's a loop code already running in the backend where it is saying that we have to go and check if the I value is greater or smaller than the now items in the list, and it then finally decides which is minimum and gives us the result. So we don't have to write those codes repeatedly. There are already functions present. Okay, so that's how we can define ourselves as well for the coding that we'll learn under user defined functions, and this is about built-in functions. So how do we download all the built-in functions of Python? We'll check that. For that, we have to type help this. Run. Okay, and in now we get this help. Here we have to write keywords. Now we don't have to run this, we have to press enter. Okay, if I write keywords again, it is repeatedly showing me the same, so it's okay. I don't have to, I can skip this now. Okay, after running this, we have to make it a hash now. So, sorry, not hash. I can write here for learning after typing, after running help, write keywords and then enter. Now, how all these false, break, for, not, or, pass, phrase, if, define, all these keywords have been downloaded in my Python Jupyter environment, and I can simply call these and assert, await, finally lambda. I told you lambda is a function as well. That was about the inbuilt functions. We'll further study the user defined functions in the next lecture. Thank you so much.